Welcome to the world of FIDIC contracts. If you're involved in international construction or engineering projects, understanding these contracts is essential. This series will guide you through the intricacies of FIDIC, providing a solid foundation for navigating these internationally recognized agreements. We'll break down complex concepts into digestible pieces using clear language and relatable examples. By the end, you'll feel confident tackling FIDIC contracts and leveraging their benefits in your projects. FIDIC stands for the International Federation of Consulting Engineers, established in 1913 by 3 European nations: Belgium, France, and Switzerland. Initially focused on harmonizing engineering practices, FIDIC recognized the need for standardized construction contracts. This led to the development of their first contract forms in the 1950s. Since then, FIDIC has become the leading global authority in construction contracts, with its documents widely used across various project types and countries. FIDIC's impact extends beyond providing templates. Their contracts promote fair and balanced risk allocation, transparency, and effective dispute resolution mechanisms. This fosters trust and collaboration between project stakeholders, contributing to successful project outcomes. FIDIC offers a suite of contracts tailored to different project needs. Understanding these variations is crucial for selecting the most appropriate form for your specific situation. Let's explore the most common types. Red Book, designed for projects where the employer provides a detailed design, leaving construction risks primarily with the contractor. Yellow Book, suitable for projects where the contractor contributes significantly to the design, sharing design and construction risks with the employer. Silver Book, ideal for EPC, engineering, procurement and construction. Projects where the contractor takes on most design, execution and risk responsibility. Green Book, a simplified contract form for small-scale or repetitive works, offering a straightforward approach for less complex projects. White Book, a flexible agreement for various consultancy services, adaptable to different project sizes and complexities. Choosing the right FIDIC contract is paramount for aligning project objectives with contractual provisions and ensuring a smooth and successful execution. Using FIDIC contracts offers numerous benefits for all parties involved. International recognition. FIDIC contracts hold global recognition, providing a common language and framework for international projects, facilitating smoother collaboration and reducing misunderstandings. Balanced risk allocation. FIDIC contracts distribute risks fairly between employers and contractors, promoting a sense of equity and encouraging responsible project execution. Comprehensive coverage. They address a wide range of potential issues, minimizing ambiguity and providing clear procedures for managing variations, delays, and disputes. Industry best practices. FIDIC contracts embody international best practices in construction and engineering, ensuring projects adhere to high standards and quality benchmarks. Dispute resolution mechanisms. They include well-defined dispute resolution mechanisms, such as dispute adjudication boards, DABs, aiming to resolve conflicts efficiently and fairly, minimizing project disruptions. By adopting FIDIC contracts, stakeholders benefit from a robust and internationally recognized framework that promotes transparency, fairness, and successful project delivery. Deconstructing FIDIC. A look at the contract structure. A typical FIDIC contract comprises 3 main components: general conditions, particular conditions, and appendices. Understanding the role of each element is crucial for interpreting and applying the contract effectively. These components work together to create a comprehensive and tailored agreement, addressing the specific needs and risks associated with a project. General conditions. Setting the ground rules. The general conditions form the backbone of the FIDIC contract, establishing the overarching rules and principles governing the project. They define the roles and responsibilities of the employer, contractor, and engineer, outlining procedures for key contract administration aspects. These include contract administration, which defines communication protocols, document control procedures, and payment mechanisms. Variations and adjustments, establishing procedures for handling changes to the scope of work and contract price. Delays and extensions of time, setting out provisions for granting extensions of time due to unforeseen circumstances or employer-caused delays. Defects liability, outlining the contractor's responsibility for rectifying defects during and after the construction period. And force majeure, defining events beyond the control of either party, such as natural disasters, and outlining their contractual implications. These standardized provisions provide a clear and consistent framework for managing the project, ensuring fairness and transparency for both parties. Particular conditions. Tailoring the contract to your project. While the general conditions provide a standardized foundation, the particular conditions allow for customization. These clauses modify or supplement the general conditions to reflect the unique aspects of a specific project. This includes project-specific details specifying the project's location, start and completion dates, and any unique site conditions. Payment arrangements, detailing the payment schedule, currency, and any advance payment mechanisms. Insurance requirements, outlining the specific insurance policies the contractor must maintain throughout the project. Dispute resolution procedures, which may specify the seat of arbitration or choose a specific dispute resolution method. And local legal requirements, incorporating any mandatory local laws or regulations applicable to the project. By tailoring the contract through particular conditions, parties can address specific risks and requirements, ensuring the agreement aligns with the project's unique circumstances. Appendices provide supporting information and standardized forms that complement the general and particular conditions. They contain essential details and templates used throughout the project lifecycle, such as forms of tender and contract agreement. These provide the official documents for submitting bids and formalizing the contractual agreement. Specifications and drawings. This includes detailed technical specifications and drawings outlining the scope of work and quality standards. Bills of quantities lists the items of work with corresponding quantities, providing a basis for pricing and payment. Security instruments includes templates for performance bonds, advance payment guarantees, and other forms of financial security. Dispute resolution procedures provides detailed procedures and forms for initiating and managing dispute resolution processes. These appendices ensure consistency and streamline contract administration, reducing the potential for errors and misunderstandings. Imagine a government agency in an emerging market wants to build a new highway. They decide to utilize the FIDIC Yellow Book for the project. as the chosen contractor will contribute significantly to the design. During the project, unforeseen ground conditions require a design change, increasing the cost and duration. The contractor, referring to the contract's variation clause, submits a detailed claim for the additional expenses and time extension. The engineer, acting as the impartial contract administrator, assesses the claim based on the FIDIC contract provisions. After reviewing the contractor's justifications and supporting documents, the engineer approves a fair compensation and time extension, preventing costly disputes and ensuring the project continues smoothly. This example highlights how FIDIC contracts provide a clear framework for managing complex situations, promoting fair dealing and efficient project execution. This introductory exploration into FIDIC contracts has covered the essentials. FIDIC contracts are internationally recognized agreements widely used in construction and engineering projects, promoting fairness and transparency. Different types of FIDIC contracts cater to various project needs, requiring careful consideration for selecting the most appropriate form. The structure of FIDIC contracts, comprising general conditions, particular conditions, and appendices, allows for a balanced and tailored approach to project management. By grasping these fundamental concepts, you're well on your way to mastering FIDIC contracts and leveraging their benefits in your international projects. This is just the beginning. In our upcoming installments, we'll delve deeper into specific aspects of FIDIC contracts, exploring key clauses, practical applications, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we continue this journey toward mastering FIDIC contracts.